everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet these little hearts. Now before we get started, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a crochet tutorial. Now for this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3.5 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, you need to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This will be counted as the first double crochet of this row. You need to work 2 more double crochets in this magic circle. That's 1 and 2. So now you have 3 double crochets. You chain 2. You need to work 3 double crochets in this magic circle. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2. You need to work 3 more double crochets in this magic circle. 1, 2 and 3. And again chain 2, and you need to work 3 more double crochets in this magic circle. 1, 2 and 3. And now you chain 2. You need to pull the loose end to close the magic circle. And now we need to join this row. So we are going to work a slip stitch right into the first chain 3 that you started this row with. So this is the first chain 3, right into that you need to work a slip stitch. Now after you work your slip stitch, you need to work a slip stitch in the next stitch and a slip stitch in the next stitch and one more slip stitch in the chain space. And now you chain 3. This will be counted as the first double crochet of this row. Now you work 2 more double crochets in the chain space. 1 and 2, chain 2, and now you need to work 3 double crochets in the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Now you need to skip the 3 double crochets here. We are going to directly work in the next chain space. So in the next chain space you need to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2. 3 double crochets in the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Now again you need to skip the double crochets and work in the next chain space, and right into the chain space we are going to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2, 3 double crochets in the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Now again you need to skip the 3 double crochets here, and in the next chain space you work 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, 3 double crochets in the same chain space, 1, 2 and 3. And now you need to join this row with a slip stitch right into the first chain 3 that you started this row with. So right into this stitch you need to work a slip stitch. After you work your slip stitch, you need to work a slip stitch in the next stitch, 1 slip stitch in the next stitch, and a slip stitch in this chain space. And now we are going to start working in this space right here. That's not a chain space, but that's a space that you have between 3 double crochets and these 3 double crochets. Right into this space we need to work 12 triple crochets. Now to work a triple crochet you need to yarn over twice. You insert your hook into this space, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. You need to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. So that's your first triple crochet. You need to work 11 more. So again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into that space, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. So that's 2. Now that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You need to have a total of 12. Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you need to have 12 triple crochets into that space. Now once you've done that, you need to work a slip stitch into this next chain space right here. Work a slip stitch there, and now into the next space that's right here. We're skipping these double crochets right into the next space. That's not a chain space, that's just a space in between these 3 double crochets and these 3 double crochets. Right into that space you need to work 12 triple crochets. Start with 1, 2, and continue working 12 triple crochets right into this space. Now once you complete working your 12 triple crochets, you need to work a slip stitch right into the next chain space. That's right here. You chain 1 and now you cut your yarn. Now I'm going to join the next color with a slip knot, and I'm going to join it right here into this space. And now you need to work 1 single crochet into that space. And you work 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, that's 2, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, that's 3. So we finished working the 3 double crochets here. Now again you need to work 1 single crochet right into the space. And now you work 1 single crochet in each of these 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now you work 1 single crochet in this space right here between these 2 double crochets. And now the next stitch you have is a triple crochet. So you need to start counting. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We worked 5 single crochets. Now in the 6th one you need to work 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. In the 7th one, 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. In the 8th one, 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And now you need to work 1 single crochet in each of these right up till here. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we've reached the slip stitch. You need to work a slip stitch right into that. And now on the other side you start counting. So this is 1 single crochet, it's 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in the 6th one you work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. In the 7th one 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. In the 8th one 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And now you need to work 1 single crochet in each of the triple crochets. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last one. Now you work 1 single crochet right into this space. 1 single crochet in each of these double crochets, the 3 double crochets here. 1, 2 and 3. 1 single crochet into this space. 1 single crochet in each of the 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And now we've reached the space from where we started this row. Right into that you work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And now you work a slip stitch right into the first single crochet that we started this row with. and now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. We've completed working this crochet little heart. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.